So what I've done now is I've just mounted the panel back on temporarily, and it's just balancing on some nails, holding it up by a centimetre or so, or whatever. So the effect of it is I've basically just lifted the whole panel up, and it's now corrected the misalignment just by lifting up the panel. So I think I can get away with very little fudging around with this panel. I was a bit worried I may have to completely reshape the panel to make it fit, but I think I can just blag it. It seems to fit quite well even when it's been shifted up by a centimetre or whatever. But that centimetre has made all the difference. It might need a bit more, might need 2 centimetres possibly, I'm not sure. But yeah, it definitely does look a lot more kind of in line, whereas before, when it was there, and it was touching like that, you could see it was really, see how it was really pissed. You can see how it doesn't really line up very well. The minute you raise it like so, suddenly by magic starts to make a bit more respectable. So I think I'll be alright with it. I don't think I will need to replace the panel after all. I mean, if I was going to replace the panel, you know, where do you stop? You might as well just replace them all. But I think, you know, I can still clean up a lot of what's happened. But the main concern was just cleaning up fixing this wonky set of holes here, and getting them a bit more respectable looking. It's the kind of thing I don't think many people would notice if they, you know, horrifically, you know, non-Dalek fans can't tell the difference between this and a dustbin. But of course the Dalek builders like myself can, so it's kind of obvious when wonky balls have been cut and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to, next thing I need to do is just cut this back to in line with here, and then sort out this bulge at the bottom here and try and get that fixed. And then once that's all sorted, I can stick my panel back in at the correct height, and then glue it back in and put some filler around the bottom to make it all nice and flush again, I guess. And I think that'll be it for the skirt in terms of correcting things. The only other thing I'll be doing on the skirt is painting it with wood hardener to seal in the carcinogenics which tend to come out of the dust whenever you handle this stuff. It's carcinogenic. So I'm going to paint the inside of it as well. But beside that, that's all I really need to do with this particular Dalek skirt. And yeah, just sorting out this panel. So yeah. I'm going to get a handy little door to get in and out, actually. I'd like to lose some weight there.